Alright guys, we're going to change a climate control blend door on a 2010 Expedition. So the first thing you want to do is you want to pop out your stereo trim right here. Get your removal tool and it just pops out. You got like 1, 2, and there's a third one at the bottom on each side. Then from there you have 4 7mm bolts that hold in, or screws that hold in the stereo. And then also if you have navigation stereo, you can actually put your GPS antenna just right in the cavity, because it's only plastic between it and a clear line to the sky, so you don't actually have to mount it up on the dash. But anyway, so here's, forget all my wire mess that I got going on here. So I've disconnected the cable to the blend door, and this is the actual blend door that controls cold and hot air. And I got the front screw out, and the problem is the back one. So you can kind of see it back there, that little silver thing in the back. The problem is there's not enough clearance for a wrench to get in between. So you have to, I think Ford wants you to take apart the whole dash, but that's just silly. So instead, just drop down your glove box, just pull in the little tabs, drops down, and then when you look down here, you can see a little access way. Just run your hand right through. Right, like that. And then once your hand's back there, you have access to use a wrench. So you get your wrench and then you just start working the bolt a little bit at a time. I really can't do it one-handed, but you get the idea. You can actually see. You just pop the wrench on there. You just work it a little bit at a time. That's easy, and it comes right out. Nothing to it. Just don't drop your wrench. All right, guys. Hope that helps.